Like I bought crypto here and market went down by 50%, but I'm still in profit right now. I'm going to show exactly beginner's journey, what is this crypto market all about. This line, we are in the bear market. I know everybody is telling you here that no, we are not in a bear market and it was not the end of the bull market, but that's, guys, you can look at the chart. Look at what should happen in nearest future for us to feel again like bullish. We'll be finally convinced that bull market is back. What should we expect in immediate short term? What will be my next trade? And before we jump into the analysis, I want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. I just express my own personal opinion, my trading strategy. This video is made for entertainment purposes only, and if you want to invest your money in something, make your own research. I always want to see what is the bigger time frame, to see the overall direction of the market, and then go to the deeper and shorter time frame to see some trading options. So let's go and look at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Here, let's zoom out. You're probably gonna hate me if I tell you so, but I want to be as realistic as possible. I know that lots of you here are Bitcoin bulls and want to be always in the bull market, and so do I. Weekly time frame, the pretty much same scenario here. The bull market that we had in 2020, Bitcoin price here, but went up by 500%, guys. It's a lot, right? Whoever entered this market here or even here, they made millions of dollars. But it's also a lot of luck when you enter a market here. It's hard to be wrong, right? It just goes up. I convinced all my friends to invest in crypto, and they invested somewhere like here, and most of my friends made insane profits, but I was busy because I have my own business, lots of things going on in my life. I just didn't have time to figure out everything, because if I'm doing something, I want to know 100% what I'm doing. So that's why it took me long. But when I entered market, I didn't have best luck. So I entered here and my money, like I bought crypto here and market went down by 50%, but I'm still in profit right now. I'm going to show exactly beginner's journey, what is this crypto market all about. And if you want to learn everything that beginner needs to know not to fail, everything that I learned during this month, please subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel, like it, and it means a lot. And if you comment, it will make my day too. One thing that I learned about this market is that nobody is a guru here, okay? People who entered here or even down here think that they are gurus, but I think it's poor luck. Nobody knew here. I have watched lots of most famous technical analysts here, and nobody was telling here that Bitcoin is gonna have huge correction. Everybody is telling that Bitcoin is gonna fly to 100k, and even when we had this huge correction, most of technical analysts were like, no, or like here they were like, no, we are not in a bear market, it's a healthy correction, we are gonna shoot straight away. But I really hesitate about that. Everything is gonna happen, but let's look at this chart. This pattern is pretty much very similar, okay, to other bear markets. Here we have lower highs. Bitcoin is making lower highs. So what should happen in nearest future for us to feel again like bullish, to be convinced that the bull market is gonna come back. So guys, if suddenly Bitcoin price is gonna break this very heavy resistance and gonna come back and retest this, and this maybe go a little bit lower but finally manage to go up, then I will be finally convinced that bull market is back. Bear market can continue as long as until July 22. Well, guys, technical analysis is not 100% sure what's going to happen. We are evaluating all the probabilities and concluding what's highest probability is going to happen, right? This pattern can be breaking at any point as long as this kind of thing happens. So we are breaking up, we are coming back, retesting, maybe coming a little bit lower here and then shooting straight up and breaking all-time high, which was 64 around. Then we are back to the bull market. Until we can break this line, we are in the bear market. I know everybody is telling you here that no, we are not in a bear market and it was not the end of the bull market, but that's, guys, you can look at the chart. Look at the daily time frame. What should we expect in immediate short term? Immediate short term, this box here, this green box here, topping up at 40, approximately like from 42,600 to 41,000. This is very, very strong support. There were lots of volume on this price range, and this will be really hard to break it. As you can see here, it acted as a support one time, and once we broke it, it went straight up, and then it was retested one time, and when we broke it, we went straight up again, and now Bitcoin is retesting this support so many days right now, and that's why we need to have a deeper look to this level. Right now Bitcoin is in uncertain condition and it needs to make choice of where does it head. It's not a perfect safest trade that we can make today. I'm not a day trader type of a person. I'm more like a swing trader. When I see a clear pattern, I enter the position, and usually my profits are at least 7%, 10% market move, which with margin trade can be higher percentages, of course. We will talk about it later, how to make money on the bear market. I did not know this for a long time, and I want you to know about all these things. So big picture is that right now it's the price action of the Bitcoin is uncertain. It's more bearish than bullish, but thing is that the fact that it's hard to break this resistance, it's a little bit of bull sign. But guys, the volume is very important indicator. Biggest volume here we have down to 30k, the big red candle. What will be my next trade? Okay, if I see that in next day Bitcoin will manage to break, 1 second guys, I will enter position here, and I think that Bitcoin is probably gonna retest this support line, and just like I said, if we break this one, I'm gonna become big bull, but right now I'm not. And this trade's gonna be somewhere around 15%. And if you trade with the margin, you're gonna have insane profits with this. But margin trading is only for experienced traders. Another trade here. That's my plan. Let's go to 4-hourly chart. Close 4-hourly chart below this line. It can happen that like here, right? The price closed a little bit below and then straight went up. We need to wait for confirmation. Let's say if close somewhere here and the next candle and the volume was not just like here. You see, next candles were not big enough to take the price, shoot the price straight back up, and failed. And the next candle also closed here. Somewhere here, I'm gonna enter my short position, and I think that's what we are gonna see then, and that's gonna be 38,000. It's pretty much possible that Bitcoin is gonna retest 38,000. It looks like it's most likely, I would say, at this point. Today I'm not entering in trade. Yesterday I entered the short trade from here, somewhere here, all the way here. This was, I think, around 7%. Yeah, I got some of my profits. Today, I'm just waiting for the price action because Bitcoin has been retesting this quite some time now, and the way that it can't break it, it gives me a little bit of bullish hopes. So I'm not going to enter short position for sure. Let's go to the 1-hourly chart. This does not look very great. Honestly, in a shorter time frame, I think Bitcoin's price gonna come back again, maybe to these levels. I don't know. I don't want to enter some risky trade today. I just want to wait for more confirmation, and the fact that the price can, everything can change in 1 second in this market. If it is very much possible that some big institution may appear in 1 minute and defend this price, and then we see the green candle like this. It's really much possible that some bulls may defend this position and go up. So I need to see some more price patterns, but I'm waiting for these levels and this. Although I think that price gonna come back here, the fact that it came back here this level, which is 41,000 approximately, so many times, gives me a hope that it's not gonna come back once again and retest this support, and maybe it's gonna reverse from here. So I'm not 100% sure what's gonna happen. I believe that it's gonna come back, and then we need just to see more volume, more price pattern to predict more. Guys, sometimes markets are pretty sure for me what direction it's gonna take. For example, if it were the scenarios that I described, if it happens, I know market where does it gonna head. And sometimes the trade is pretty speculative, just price pattern is not confirmed yet, so you can enter this and you can risk your money. But as I said, I prefer to enter swing trades. I'm not a day trader. I have lots of other things to do. I have my own business, and also I just don't want to think about this all day long. I want to have peace of my mind. It's very important for me. If you like this technical analysis, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment. It will mean a lot for me, and I will come up with my next trades in my next videos. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, not to miss any updates. Bye for now.